Now I have a little exercise for those who would like to find the right mala for them and intuitively choose the mala that is going to work with their practice. Now, if you haven't found one already and you don't have one in your hands, what I'd like you to do is just find a quiet place. It can be a special place that you have. We'll talk more about actually creating space in the next video. Anywhere is fine. You can be sitting in a chair or cross-legged. You can light a candle for a preparation of some kind or incense. Anything that's going to calm you and kind of get you a little centered and preparing sort of the sacredness of your space. Now what I'd like you to do is just get comfortable, seated or in a chair as I said, and close your eyes and breathe deeply. A deep inhalation and a long exhalation. And just do that a few times until you feel like your thoughts are just slowing, at least slowing a little bit. And now I want you to put the intention out there that you're searching for a mala. You can ask for a mala. Sometimes that's all it takes, is just asking the universe, please, I need a mala, send the one that's right for me, to me. And you can cup your hands on your lap or cup your hands on your heart. Now I have a mala in my hands at the moment. I want you to pretend that you have a mala in your hands. The whole exercise is as we're breathing and we're being silent and quiet. Envision what your mala would feel like. What would your mala look like? How does it feel in your hands? Is it a rough material? Is it a smooth material? Is it cold? Is it hot? And sit this way just for a few minutes. You might actually feel like there's a mala in your hands. You might not feel anything. You might not see anything, or you might actually see an actual vision of what your mala is going to be. It doesn't matter. This experience isn't going to be the same for everyone. Just listen to your heart, just let it go, and let the process happen. So basically what you've done is just put an intention out there. And when you're done, if you have your hands on your heart, when you feel like you've sufficiently put it out there, whether or not you've seen something, I would say give it 5 minutes, and then rest your hands to your lap, or if your hands are already at your lap, just leave them there and just breathe for another minute or so, just a few more deep inhalations and exhalations to kind of close your session. And then you're done. And then you wait. So if you see a mala, you might see something really similar out there. It could be the next day, it could be in 2 years. That either way, that's fine. I know you're dying to get your hands on a mala and start working with one, so all my recommendation is trust your heart, trust your intuition. If something feels really good when you touch it, then that's the one for you. You know, some of us go back and forth. Wait, this one, I was initially attracted to this one, but now this one's prettier, and maybe that has something. Don't use here, just use here. If you feel it, go for it. That's how I've chosen my malas and how I intuitively choose gemstones for myself and for others. So I hope that little exercise will help you. At least it will give you a better idea of what you'd like, and you've put the intention out there to get the mala that is right for you.